Chapter 8, Lesson 9, finding the surface area of a triangular prism and a square pyramid. Okay, so the first thing that we need to remember is how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, so the area of a triangle equals 1/2 times the base times the height of the triangle. Okay, so that's going to be important for today. So we need to remember that. Okay, so here's a couple of examples. Okay, and this is exactly how you want to break it down. You want to find the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle, okay, is 1/2 times the base, which is 9, okay, times the height, which is 4. Okay, and then 1/2 times 9 times 4, okay, would be 18. Okay, so that's where we get 18 from. And then we have to multiply 18 times 2, because as you can see, there's 2 triangles, front and the back. Okay, and then we find the area of the base. The base would be 9 times 8.1 equals, so that multiplies together equals 72.9. Now notice that's not multiplied by 2 because there's only one base. That's the bottom. Okay, and then we figure out the right side here. Okay, the right side is 7.2 times 8.1. And again, that's the only side that is that are those measurements, so we don't have to multiply it by 2. That comes out to be 58.32. And lastly, the left side that's highlighted in orange, 4.5 times 8.1 equals 36.45. Okay, and then when you add these 4 areas together, you get 203.67. That is the total surface area of this prism. Okay, same thing with the second example. We have area of a triangle, 1/2 times 10 times the height of the triangle, which is 8.3. So when we multiply 1/2 times 10 times 8.3, we get 41.5. And then we have to multiply that by 2 because there's the front and the back triangle. So that equals 83. The base is 10 times 14, which equals 140. And then as you can see, this is an equilateral triangular prism with all the sides and lengths being the same side. So the right side is 14 times 10, and the left side is 14 times 10. So we have 83 plus 140 plus 140 plus 140 equals, okay, 503 total for the total surface area of this prism. Okay, so again, we're talking about the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 times the base times the height, and then area of a rectangle, base times height. Okay. Excuse me. All right, let's try a couple more. Okay, so again, we have the area of a triangle, 1/2 times 4 times the height of the triangle, which is 6. Okay, so 1/2 of times 4 times 6 is 12. And then we want to multiply that by 2. So we get 24 here. Okay, plus the area of the base. So 4 times 12. Again, that would be length times width. Okay, 4 times 12 is 48. Plus the right side, which is 12 times 7. And the left side is also 12 times 7. Okay, so that would be 84 plus 84. Okay, and then once you have all of your areas of the different parts, 24 plus 48 plus 84 plus 84 equals 240. Okay. So with that being said, here's the next example. Okay, so 1/2 times 8, which is times 3, which equals 12 times 2, because there's the front and the back triangle, so 24. The base is 8 times 12, which is 96. The right side is a base of 5 and a length of 12, so 5 times 12 is 60. Left side is the same thing, 60. So 24 plus 96 would be 120. Plus 60 is 180, plus another 60 is another 240. Okay, so again, we're just finding the area of all the different parts and then adding them together to find the total surface area. Okay. Again, so the area of the triangle, 1/2 times the base, which is 4, times the height of 3. Okay, so 1/2 times 4 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. The base is 4 times 7, which is 28. The right side would be 5 times 7, which is 35. And the left side would be 3 times 7, which is 21. Add them together, you get 96 total for this surface area. Okay, so the triangle, 1/2, okay, times the base, which is 12, times the height, which is 16. Okay. So that would be 96 times 2, which is 192 for the front and the back triangle. And then we have the base, which is 12 times 10, which is 120. The left side, oh, the right side, which would be 20 times 10, which is 200. And then plus the left side, which would be 16 times 10, which is 160. Okay, add those numbers together. And your total surface area equals 672. Okay, so again, finding the surface area of a triangular prism. Find the surface area of the triangle first. Make sure to remember to multiply it by 2, since there's always 2 triangles. Find the area of the base, and then the right side and the left side, and add your areas together to find the total surface area. Okay, and for a square-based pyramid, okay, you would find the area, once again, of the triangle, okay, which would be 1/2 times the base times the height. But this time, with it being a square base, we're going to have a base, okay, which is simply just length times width. But for the triangle, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So whatever that area is, you're gonna multiply it by 4. Okay, the area of one triangle, you're gonna multiply that by 4 so that you can add them, and then you can add that to the area of the base. Okay, so again, just wanting to make sure that we keep that straight. Let's take a look. Okay, so again, the area of the triangle, 1/2 times the base, which is 8, times the height of the triangle, which is 10. So 1/2 times 8 times 10 is 40. But then there are 4 sides to the pyramid, so we're going to multiply that by 4. 40 times 4 is 160. And then the base is just length times width, which is 8 times 8, which is 64. So 160 plus 64 equals 224. Okay, next example. Area of the triangles, 1/2 times the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 7. So 1/2 times 4 times 7 is 14. Excuse me. And then again, there's 4 triangles for 4 sides, so we multiply 14 times 4 to get 56. And then we multiply the length times the width of the base. 4 times 4 is 16. We add 56 plus 16 to get a total surface area of the square base pyramid to be 72. Okay, so again, that brings us to the end of our lesson. As always, thank you very much for watching our video, and we will see everybody next time.